Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and replace the speaker that's behind here. I believe these are either 5x7, 6x8. Real simple on this truck. You don't have to pull the whole door panel. There's like a little notch out right over here. You just pull on that and that comes off, and the speaker has basically 4 screws. Now these are 5.5 millimeter, really tiny screws. Many of the Fords do have these type of size screws. Now you had some Alpines in here, but these things are really, really old. Go ahead and remove that. This is the ground, this is the power. Now we're gonna put some Infinity reference in here. Now these ones are 3 ohm speakers, so they're gonna make the radio work a little bit harder, a little bit more sound. I'm gonna extend these wires a little bit. These are a little short. Let's see if this came with any wiring. If not, I'm gonna see what I can do here. Hold on. So Infinity didn't give us any wiring for this, so I'm gonna go ahead and use my own. I like to use these that are kind of like insulated. Sometimes they come in some of the packages and I could use them, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this one. Just cut one of these at a time. This one's the positive one. Just don't want to fight trying to get the connection on there like I was doing trying to get it off. Always want to leave yourself at least a little bit of room so that you could get the wiring in there. You have to rotate the speaker. If it has a label on there or something, you want the label to show not upside down. Sometimes that'll happen if you don't have the wiring long enough. So like this one here, this one says reference on there. And the connectors are on that side, so it's not gonna make a big deal, but they were kind of hard to get to. So now I can actually get to them real easy. Plug it in. And then it also has a plus 3 dB, so you can push that in and it'll give you a little bit more power. So on this one, we will have to bend these tabs up. Bend these tabs up as well. There we go. Grill cover. Line it up. Snap it in place. And that's pretty much how you would put the speakers in. The other side's gonna be the exact same thing, so I'm not gonna show that. But anyways, guys, if you have any questions, hit me up. Thanks for watching.